The top 3 ways to save money while building your barn door. Number 3, choose modest finishes. Granite countertops, custom trim, and other high-end finishes are not a necessity. It's perfectly fine to install laminate countertops, standard wood trim, and other finishes that are more economical. After all, they're not going to affect the functionality of your home. Number 2, do as much of the work as you can yourself. If you have YouTube and you're willing to learn, or if you know somebody that can give you a hand or give you a few pointers, there are a multitude of projects that you can do yourself to save time and money. A few examples of things that we did ourselves are the painting. We built our RTA cabinets and installed them. I did my own shower and kitchen tile. We did all of our own interior framing and a whole lot more. And the number 1 way to save money while building your barn door is to act as your own general contractor. General contractors typically charge anywhere from 10 to 20% of your total build cost. So to put that into perspective, if you have a $200,000 build, 10% on the low end, that's $20,000 that you could save right off the top. Now to some, that might be worth it, but to others, every penny saved counts. Now don't get me wrong, there's a lot of work that goes into acting as your own general contractor. I know because I did it myself. It's definitely something you don't want to go into blindly. I put a ton of effort and a ton of research into making sure that everything was being done properly and in order. And while I was conducting all of my research, I decided that there's probably a ton of people out there that could really benefit from the information as well. So not only did I research all of this information for myself, for my own build, but I took the time and put it all together for others to use while building their own barn dominium. My resource guide includes your responsibilities as the general contractor, hot topics when it comes to building your barn door, estimating checklists, the highly requested order of operations guide, and a whole lot more. So if you go to my website right now, you can download my contractor evaluation forms and my contractor reference forms for free. Then after that, be sure to check out my complete resource guide. As I mentioned before, I put a lot of work and a lot of effort into this guide. And you will see by the testimonials that it's definitely a guide and a resource that you are going to want to have on hand while you tackle your build from start to finish.